Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 2, fraction and decimals. So, right now, first of all, we will start with the fractions. What is the meaning of fractions and what type of fractions are there? How the fractions are be solved? All the detail, all the introduction of details in each and every topic we will discuss. Fraction means, suppose I am taking a number 1 upon 2. Two numbers are there, 1 upon 2 is a fraction. Is a fraction of a half number. You can say 1 upon 2 is also known as an half of any number. Same way 1 upon 3 if we take 1 upon 3, that means a box or a digits which is having a third part, that is 1 upon third, is known as 1 upon 3. Fraction means a whole number which is having upon in a ratio, that is known as numerator and denominator form. Numerator and denominator. Now what is a numerator and what is denominator? The upper number, suppose if we take 2 upon 5, here 2 is numerator and 5 is denominator, right? So 2 upon 5, that means 2 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Student, always remember, down means denominator, D for down, that is denominator, and you can remember it quickly. And the first fraction is known as a proper fraction. Any number, suppose like this, 1 upon 3. 1 is a numerator, 3 is denominator. This is a proper fraction. In proper fraction, always numerator is smaller than denominator. Always remember that numerator is smaller, denominator is greater. This fraction is known as proper fraction, like 1 upon 3. Okay. Second is improper fraction, where numerator is greater than denominator. Suppose 4 upon 3 is a number when numerator is greater number, denominator is smaller. This kind of a fraction is known as improper fraction. Now another one is also there out of these two, third fraction, which is known as mixed fraction. A number, suppose a number is there 4, 2 upon 7. Two numbers are there. One is a whole number, another is another fraction, and both together comes it known as a mixed fraction, like this in a form 4, 2 upon 7. In that, first of all, if you want to solve this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, then you have to multiply this both. 7 multiplied by 4, and answer whatever we are getting, we have to add with 2. That is 7 4 ja 28 plus 2 30, that is 30 numerator and denominator will be the same as 7. So 30 upon 7 will become 4, 2 upon 7 will become 30 upon 7. Same way, if a number is there, simple number, like here 14 upon 9, we have to convert. You have to just divide this. 9 1 ja 9. Out of 14, 9 is gone. How much remaining? 5 is remaining. Remainder will be your numerator and denominator will be your same. So 14 upon 9 is equal to 1. 5 upon 9 will become converted into a mixed fraction opposite way. If you want to convert mixed fraction into a number, this is also possible by multiplying both this number, numerator, denominator, and a number, multiplying and adding the numerator, we get simple number. And if you want to convert a simple number into a mixed number, then you have to simply you have to divide it. Now after the types of fraction we have seen, now the addition of fraction, how you can do it. You can see this. Suppose if we are taking two number 3 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6 and we want to add this number. Here you can see one thing, that numerator are both same 6. So it is a like term, as we have learned in 6th standard also. Both numerator are same, then it is very simple to add these numbers. 3 plus 2 upon 6 is a common. 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 6. The 5 upon 6 is your final answer. Same way, if we are getting unlike numbers, suppose if we take 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4, here there are unlike numbers, numerator and denominators. So how you can solve this? For this kind of sum, you have to take that numerator should be always equal. So for that numerator, you have to take an LCM. That is 5 and 4 LCM we will take. Here I have taken 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Same way 2 5 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. That is 2 4 and 5. That is 2 4, 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. So 4 and 5 LCM is 20. So we are taking LCM 20 out of this. First of all, first number we will write 2 upon 5 and then 3 upon 4 at down. 2 upon 5, 20. 5 in 5's table, how 20 will be coming? 5 4 ja 20. That same 4 will be multiplied by here. 4 2 ja 8. 8 upon 20 it will become. Same way 3 upon 4 we will take. In 4 table, 4 5 are 20 will be coming. The same 5 will be going up and multiply with the 3. 5 3 ja, we will get 15 upon 20. So the two numbers which we get is 8 upon 20 and 15 upon 20. Then we will add both these numbers, putting here similar 15 plus 8, 23 upon 20. And you can so see that it is numerator is greater, so 21 is 20 and 3 is the remainder upon 20. It is formed in a mixed fraction. So this kind of answer you can get after solving the LCM method. This is the addition of a fraction. Same way minor and subtraction also you have to do the same method. No different method will be there for subtraction of fraction also. Now next is a multiplication of fraction. That is important. Multiplication of a fraction, how we can do? Suppose if we take two fractions, 2 upon 3 multiply by 4 upon 1 or 4 only, you can say anything, any number we can take. Here always remember, in a multiplication of fraction, that numerator and numerator will be multiplied and denominator will be multiplied like this. See, 2 4 ja, you will take 8, 3 1 ja 3. So 8 upon 3 is your answer. Anything, any number we can get, you have to multiply by numerator itself numerator and denominator with itself denominator. No cross multiplication system, anything will be there. So you can get the directly in the form of this. 2 4 ja 8, 3 1 ja 3. So 8 upon 3 is your multiplication answer. Now one another thing, important thing children, I want to tell you. In place of multiplication they will write the question product or of. That means you should understand that they are talking about the multiply. You have to multiply the numbers. You have to remember that. Product means also a multiplication of. Suppose if we have given 6 of 2 upon 3. That means they are telling at 6 multiplied by 2 upon 3. 1 we are taking, 6 2 ja 12, 1 3 ja 3. You can divide it and you can get 4. 3 4 ja 12. So this way you can do it. So this of is also consists of multiply. Product is also a multiplication, remember that. Now the last form of this is the simplest form. Here one number is written, I have written 12 upon 8 form. This is a form into a simplest form. The same table, if we are getting 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, then 2 upon 3. Same way, anything, any number. Suppose if I am taking 15 upon 24, right? So 15 and 24 simplest form if we want to do. Both are coming on 3's table. 3 5 is 15, 3 8 is 24. So 5 upon 8 is the simplest form of 15 upon 24. So this is also one kind of sum which can be asked to you, and you have to solve this with the simplest form, or you can say reduced form. Another name is reduced form also. They can ask in reduced form also. Okay, students. So we can finish this today itself, and now we can start with the exercise 2.1.